Is your phone showing you SOS only with iOS 17? Don't worry. Through this entire video, I will walk you through some easy troubleshooting guides to turn off SOS only on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often, only giving a simple restart on your iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Solution 2. Turn off and turn on data roaming. Open Settings, tap on Mobile Service. Now tap on Mobile Data option. Then, turn off and turn on Mobile Data Roaming. Solution 3. Turn off and turn on Automatic Off Network Selection. Open Settings, tap on Mobile Data. Now tap on Mobile Selection, and make sure to select Automatic. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. If you have any questions, write in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.